Hello everyone, Henry Lucero here with Aero Electric. Today I'd like to give you a little bit of history about our company and a little bit about myself. I'm a licensed master electrician in the state of Texas. I've been an electrician for about 46 years. I'm a veteran of the United States Air Force where I was an aircraft electrician. Our business was established in 2007. We're a small independent business and there's no operators when you call us, there's no answering service. When you call our company, you speak to either me or my son, which we're both electricians. We have, like I say, I have 46 years experience. My son has probably about, I want to say about 17 years experience. And so that's, when you call us as an independent business, that's who you talk to. You talk to an electrician, you don't talk to an answering service or someone that doesn't know electrical. Our key motto is, and that we live by, is quality workmanship and attention to detail. That is a key part of our business. Quality workmanship, attention to detail. Another thing is we use quality materials. I try to get the best materials that I can and use only the best materials. So that is a little bit about ourselves. That is a little bit about my company. And like I said, we're small, we're independent. We're here to serve the DFW Metroplex, mainly the mid-cities areas where we're at. But if you have any questions or you need anything with your business or your residential home, give us a call. I'll be glad to talk to you and answer any questions that I may be able to answer and give you advice on, if you need something with your electrical system, if you need a panel upgrade, if you need anything that has to do with electricity for home or business, just give us a call and we'd be glad to talk to you. Like I say, when you call us, you're going to talk to an electrician and you're gonna get the best information that you can get from the horse's mouth, like they say. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you like our channel, like and subscribe, and we appreciate our customers and we appreciate you for watching. We thank you. Have a nice day.